In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your driver version on your Windows computer. We are going to start up this tutorial by opening the Start menu. Then we type in Device Manager. When you do that, you are going to see Device Manager right above the control panel. So go ahead and left click on that to open it. I'm going to have to expand this for a clearer view. So now you're going to have to expand whatever device category you're looking for. So let's say display adapters here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this arrow to expand it. Then I'm going to click on the device I want to check for the version, which is the Intel Arc UHD Graphics 620. I'm going to go ahead and then click on that. Then I'm going to right click on it and select Properties. So I'm going to go ahead and then select Driver. This will tell you the driver you're running, the driver version you're running, the date it was made or the date it was produced. So guys, I hope this tutorial provided you with what you were looking for and was also helpful. I will end this video here. I'm so glad to be able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and also to subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.